Hello, see you again on the Special Design channel. This time, the Special Design channel will discuss the house plan in the form of compass. The design of this house is shaped like a compass. At the front, there is a living room. On the right side, there is a kitchen for the cooking area. Next to the kitchen, you can put the dining table. On the left, you can use it for a bedroom, which has a small bathroom inside. In the back of the house, a swimming pool and garden were built. This backyard can be used as a place to relax.